You better clean it up.
You better clean it up. Oh.
It got all over my pants.
That's what you guys get. Okay.
You got it on his face.
You got it on my nose. We better start. Oh, you got it on my shirt too.
I'm the baby.
I threw four at you, Michael.
You.
What is in here?
You
I got something.
My God.
I got gel.
What?
I got gel.
Throw it at him then.
No, that's not.
That's racist.
Go.
That's mental.
Find him. I'm gonna kill you. Find him. Bring me back.
We need weapons. I call this.
I got a
knife.
Hey, don't be throwing knives. Don't be throwing knives.
It's a knife to cut yours.
Don't be throwing knives.
That's not a knife. It's a comb.
It's a comb.
We're giving you a sniper rifle. We're giving you a sniper rifle. What the heck is that? Is that a knife? Come on. Ugh. I got him. You were trapped in that corner. I was like.
He's coming. Oh my God.
He threw a colored pencil here.
He hit the TV.
What?
He hit the TV.
Hey!
Oh my God.
Come on, Michael!
Yeah.
I need assistance!
Go get the toothpaste.
Why? I don't need it. I'll mix it together. Oh, yeah. Michael's down because I mixed stuff together. It's only me, Pedro. It's only me. And I'm almost dead too. Here, take this. I got this on one of his stores. What is this? Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Are you alright, buddy? ¿Qué pasó? Estamos jugando y le golpeamos en la silla. You alright,
Go
buddy?
back in the bathroom and wash yourself off. Let's have another battle. Michael!
Wait, you guys do know that's on camera, right?
It was
Don't touch the camera though.
okay, let's stop it. Let's stop it.
Wait, don't touch it, don't touch it.
Let's stop it. Stop it.